Hey guys, I want to show you how easy it is to install this dash cam that I've been using and loving. Here's the box here. I'm going to show you right inside. Alright, so here's the main unit itself. On the side here I installed the SD chip, which was super easy to install. This goes right in the side here. I'm going to show you nice and easy here. Alright, so I'm going to put that right in here like so, click it in, and that's going to give me nice recording options if I want to record. I have my sticky tab here I'm going to take off. It does come with the static options too to make it super easy to install, so I'm going to set that down here, peel this tape off, and now I'm going to set that right up here so it can install really nice on my windshield. Can't even see it, it looks really nice and clear. I have that off here, so now it's ready to attach. This lens is a really great lens here. I'm going to show you right up here. You can just stick it right here. So the installation process is super awesome, and what's nice about this camera is that it's 1080p, so it has 170 degree wide angle, and you can plus or minus it 15 degrees to your liking. So super easy to give it power to. I just have my power adapter. I'm going to plug it in top. Has this nice option to plug into a cigarette lighter, so I'm going to do that back here. It's nice that it has a really long cord because my lighter is farther in the back, so I like that it has that option also. You can see I got power here, and there's my garage. You can see it, nice and clear picture. I'm going to move some of the snow out of the way, but really great features. So I have all the options down below to change out the settings, which is really great. And I just love that there's that natural Wi-Fi that you can connect to your mobile app. So if you want to download videos in real time, you're able to do that too. But I've been super impressed with this product. It comes with this nice tool too, so easy access to remove it. And it's a super great option. Easy to use. Have all my settings here, which is really great. But yeah, if you're looking for a great dash cam, we've been loving this one that you can find on Amazon. Then when you're done with it, you can just attach it, super easy, and peel this off. You can use your finger or that special tool so it doesn't harm any of your windshields.